Man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's a lot of people sleeping on these Air Jordan 3 green glows, but I must say, bro, it's not a bad colorway at all. And I'm gonna show you guys during their own feet why I like them a lot, bro. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. I gotta tell you guys that every day because I am super grateful for everybody to just click on your boy DeVintage and see me talking essentially, bro. See me talking about some shoes. I know y'all love shoes. You know your boy, me, true authentic to the sneaker game. So I gotta bring you guys these reviews and on feeds, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. And I tell you guys for the last couple of videos, man, if you ain't got nothing to say about anything, bro, drop some fire emojis down below, drop some trash can emojis. It helps the algorithm. It shows you guys are engaging with the content. So drop a comment or two for your boy. Let's get in the algorithm. Let's push these green glow threes and let people see what these joints is hitting for. And you guys already know, man, OutRank Brand is the way to go as far as matching your apparel with your kicks. And I'm telling y'all, bro, the Air Jordan 3 Gringo collection probably has to be one of the best in a long time. You guys can see right here with the crew neck, man, got the nice graphics. It goes perfect with these green glows. I'm gonna turn around real quick, bro. Check out the back of the crew neck, man. Like I said, man, OutRank Brand is the way to go. Make sure you guys use my discount code DeVintage10 to save 10% off your entire order. Go check that link down below. Head over to OutRank and tell me your boy DeVintage sent you, man. All right, man, we got to start with the box. You guys see it. You do have the green glow Jumpman on the front right here with the same kind of, you know, tri-style boxes that they have been doing lately with the Air Jordan 3s. You got the cement or the elephant print on this side right here. You got the predominant black over here with the green glow, and the official colorway reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Black, Green Glow, and Wolf Gray. And I got these things in the size 9.5. I've been rocking out with that 9.5 strong the last couple months. I feel like this is my new size, man. And here we have them, bruh. The green glow threes, man, in full effect, bro. And I'm gonna tell y'all why I really think I like these. And it's because they look so similar to the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement as far as the color block. You got the predominantly black upper, and then you have the green glow hits that go all around the sneaker, which I really like, man. I know this will go kind of under the radar. It's a lot dropping this month. Trophy room ones. You have the Air Jordan 9 UNC powder blues, whatever you want to call them. It's a lot of heat dropping. So these might right here get pushed to the back burner as far as the cops or what you prioritize for the month of March. Still want to point out the leather, man. The leather isn't that great. I feel like they tried to do something good with it, but then it still kind of ended up turning out stiff. Because without me even wearing this, I haven't done on feet yet, but you already got a nice little crease in the toe box right here, and it's almost like a flat leather towards the toe box, and then you go up towards the heel and then you get this like tumbled leather look to it. I don't know what's going on, but like I said, leather quality is not that great, but that's nothing new with Air Jordan 3s in my opinion. Go ahead and check out the heels right here. Again, like I said, you do have the green glow Air Jordan Jumpman right there with the air underneath it and the elephant print surrounding the heels of these joints. And something new about these green glow 3s is that they also have that elephant print on the lacing system of these joints as well, which like I said, I've never seen before. Something different. If it is on another pair of Air Jordan 3s, you guys let me know down below in the comment section. You do have a suede tongue on these joints with the green glow Jumpman. And something I pointed out during the early unboxing, that you do have these little like cardboard slips right here that go behind the pull tab. I don't know what that was about, but it's definitely something I've never seen on a pair of Air Jordan 3s, but you guys should get the same thing when you pick them up. You only got black laces to go in these joints right here, nothing else. But of course, man, if you want to be crazy with the laces, bruh, would definitely swap it out with the green glow laces, or even throwing in some white laces might look pretty cool with these as well. Of course, on the midsole, man, you have your black, you got some white wrapping around, and of course, lower towards the toe box, you do have some more elephant print for all the elephant print lovers on the Air Jordan 3s, man. And then last but not least, I feel like this is probably the last thing I gotta mention, is the outsoles, man. Got your gray, got your white, black part right here, and you got another green glow hit on these sneakers with Jordan underneath. And I forgot to mention, man, on the insole, bruh, Another addition that you probably will never see, especially if you are rocking your shoes, is you do have a green glow insole with the black Jumpman inside. So you guys let me know if these will be a cop or a drop releasing tomorrow. The retail tag $200 or not 210. I thought it was 210. I'm gonna check sneakers out one more time just to make sure I ain't tripping, because I feel like lately they've been switching up with the retail prices going from 215, 220, 210, and now like I said, these I think are $200, which I'm gonna check real quick. Yes, 200 bones on the Air Jordan 3 green glows, which is a little bit cheaper than the regular pricing on a pair of Jordans. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's in-depth review, man. Show you guys a couple different aspects of the sneaker. I might throw these joints straight on feet. Before we do, again, make sure you check out OutRank Brand. If you do go out and grab these green glow 3s, check out the green glow collection over on OutRank Brand using my discount code DeVintage10 to save 10% off your entire order. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy. We're on that road to 100K. We so close, bro. It's the closest we ever been. Every new subscriber, we're getting closer and closer. So I appreciate you guys for tapping in and locking in with your boy. Hit that like button, man. And with all this being said, let's go ahead and transition to the on feet of the green glow Air Jordan 3s.
Jump out the crib, stack up my Cino this year, killing my ego this year. All for the people this year, only believe in the real. I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real. I'm in control of my feels. You see my highlights and study my reel. Yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year. The world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence. I'm serving up chills to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death, get to the checks. Flex, yes, got nothing to lose, it's on the proof. Come from the trench, Cuban links on my neck, tanking, freeze, smoking on dope, that diesel, freeze, running till I miss my season, laid back, geeking, smoking on dope, that diesel, young nigga gone off the deep end, running till I miss my season. I keep a stack of them blessings, I'm ballin', I'm play callin'. They chain on me matching my smile, you know that I stay saucin'. Wrist flooded, she drowning. We good on this side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death, get to the checks. Flex, yes, got nothing to lose, it's on the proof. Come from the trench, Cuban links on my neck, tanking,